Hello friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have a 2016 Model X 90D. This one has about 74,000 miles on it. Pretty hard loaded. This Model X has been wrapped in matte white. Underneath is black, but it has been wrapped. That's a wrap. Good tires. We have 2 key fobs. This one has the autopilot option. It's got Summon, Auto Park. It's got the premium package, heated and cooled seats, automatic doors. It's a 7-seater with the 3rd row. 20-inch wheels. Has the ultra hi-fi fidelity sound system. Air suspension. Black headliner, tan seats. Very, very nice. It's a great Tesla to get into for not a lot of money. I'll open up the gull wing doors here. The 3rd row seats up back there. Pretty neat. Just come up here and shut that. These have 8-year warranties and limited mileage for the battery and the drivetrain. So this is still under warranty. I'll show you these automatic doors, how those function. Just get in, put your foot on the brake. It shuts right there. Let's get a look at the mileage right here. We come down here to software. 73,732 miles. Everything's been up to date here. Seat has just a little bit of wear, nothing bad, nothing you wouldn't expect for 74,000 miles. Passenger seat's nice. These do about 260 miles on a charge. Has the all-weather floor mats. We've got a nice one here. Give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you quick. Our website is rogersmotorcars.com. You can finance if you like, pay cash.